let's actually test if this loitering alarm will turn on again if you go over here. It's like a motion sensor thing. Because as soon as I stepped here last time, it started going off. Yeah, there it is. So I guess they have a motion sensor alarm here, so that no homeless people hang out here or anything during the night. But they probably should have had one over on the other side at the corner there, because it looks like some homeless people started a fire there and ended up almost burning down the library. So they didn't camp out there because of the sun, because of the